Grabe Dol, walang sablay sa idol, no? Feledic comedy, you can tube oh. What? You can tube oh? What do you mean, sir? Ang laki nun, master. Thank you, Baby Yoda. Thank you, Baby Yoda. Right now, it's raining, guys. It's raining. But we need catch more fish because the typhoon is coming, right? We need more stock. Good. Yes, thank you. We're good. I hope, guys, did you see that all? The shot for a big fish. We are catching only a good size, guys. Oh, another shot, guys. We hope this is a big fish too. Ma'am Lilibet, hindi pa po. Ay, kumain na po kami kanina sa ano, ma'am? Sa ano po, diyan sa mga idol tayo kumain? Sa High Life. Mamaya po, kailangan po namin mananghalian. Pero kailangan muna namin makakota, baka kasi umulan na eh. Before the typhoon come down here in Taiwan, we need more fish. Oh, another shot. Meron ba Dol? Oh, another one. Look guys, look. Watch out guys. They pulling up now. Please watch. Nakatakas Dol? Pinutol ay wala Dol. Ang laki nun Dol, kaya ganun. Pinutol Dol, kaya ganun. Guys, our hook got stopped out, right? Because it's too big. Yes ma'am, nakarami na po kami pero kulang pa din kasi marami pa kaming mga kadorm na kailangan pakainin.
Antibay na yung tali mo.
Antibay yun Dol, bagong-bago yun Dol. Pero naputol kasi malaki Dol eh, wala tayong magagawa eh. Nangamba nga ako kanina sa karpa mo eh. Kala ko mapuputol dun eh kasi ang laki nun eh. Pero hindi naputol, mas malakas yun. Okay guys, we need to set up another new because our what you call that, our hook got stopped out for the big fish. Did you see this, idol? Did you see this? This is the one we got shot. Later we eat them. We will eat this later. That's a big carp. That's a big one. Yes, that's a big, right? Right now, raining. It's raining. Okay, he is master and friends. We set up a new hook. That's carp or tilapia. We hunting carp and tilapia, sir, Texas boys. We're hunting tilapia and carp. Master, ilang pindot ka dito, master? Nakailang pindot ka? 4? Pwede na ulit siguro to.